Excellency, the President of the Republic. This year,
Ashanti Regional Minister, so Kocha Otumfo. Regional Chairman, I'm not going to see.
Hello. Sabre Ghana Mampeni John Dramani Mahama. Wakwa Mayura Ade Toche. Adente Ena Manhyia. Adoswa. I was so Manhyia Wajini Tata, Jini Yo, and Nakwakotinasiye. Ghana Mampeni John Dramani Mahama. When any penny for a by your woman, I call Aquacochia Yura. Yura said, you get here, a cajon. Santa Manta Muswa for what we have for Frank. I'm walking in.
In 2026, the enviable Millennium Excellence Award will be held in the United States of America. Our true son, a son belonging to the royal blood,
the Padisi, you know.
Nana Ajiman Prempe, Ambassador Ashimorton, will be organizing the Millennium Excellence Awards in the USA in 2026. Today we have a huge delegation from Washington.
MC, no.
And now, Akwasidae, you were Yenianom, a man in Mamabika, your wife. Of Free Washington, a British memo, America, or Babeka, your home, when you are a bidia.
Delegation in charge of coordinating affairs of the Millennium Excellence Awards, which will be staged in the United States of America, led by Nana Ajiman Prempe, Ambassador Ashimorton. Today we have Mona Boyd, Dr. Ashley Milton, William Sadler, Mansa Sadler, Mauli Jebu, Jane Randolph Osei, Madame Teo Ethiopia, and delegation from Washington coordinating the affairs of the Millennium Excellence Awards, which will be held in the United States of America in 2026.
The Chedumasi, Adam improve. Suta kwa wine people so
Ambassador Ashimoton, leading delegation from the United States of America, and this delegation is coordinating activities of the Millennium Excellence Award 2026. The former Member of Parliament for Manhyia South, the former Minister of Education, former Minister of Energy, Honorable Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempeh Napo, is now exchanging courtesies with His Majesty and paying homage to the King of the Kingdom. Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempeh is the former Member of Parliament for Manhyia South, and that is the constituency of the King. The former Minister of Education, who effectively implemented the free senior high school.
Chief Director, Local Government to Adam Eburu.
Kane Manhyia na for about 2
Let's go be headwaters to no Adam Eburu.
Ya pamocha santene ne ye mo wudi a enkodi so mesrebo a wada roma na said ye yewura me ebobo no ye nko ne saa said ye be ya obi ya betimi a chia bie eye tenten a wobedi so abre yesremo ye kono moboye ne saa.
Mr. P.V. Joshua Boateng, a proud son of Ashtown, just exchanged courtesies with the President. Mr. P.V. Joshua Boateng, we've been here all day, all night, serving the King and serving the Kingdom.
Esanse asante yesom ne yesom yewranom eyesa ye nananom atwade ato ho na esom pabia so nhyira ewom efise base ya ye nananom esre enkwane ahoden ede mayen edenti enne akoye de atwatoe wo ya adwuma ewo asante nkro bia so na wo da adwuma na no amegidi se brani ne ya ewo se wo ba ebechia yewra. Yes, Ramo, Madaruma. Na mama edwanum adaho amaye. Efri se yenyan rubabia. And intimacy mo. Se wobechia ye nananom bia. Wubia. Na wasan akobabia wotia maye. Se nso babia na wugina. Na edwanum finfin hanomo enna ho. Se de be yakwania badie. Ebe ye wano. Na abambofo no bia enye opinido. Edamase. Se mo ye ne sa ade amaye. Na ma adeni die ayemre amaye. Abusia ade ay twatso. Enyina na tokofi. Baye nase. The bunko ntachire no. Enyuma ayaye afimoni nyina rawa sante mantamimo. Anya sante nkura hodo. Ebrana nanom ebu won kontane na enyuma hodo so ya ewo kroimo. Say na niamba siko. Ihia kwanchire hia nimdie. Ihia ensura bambobi. Nina ye baba ma ye brother to chino. Na was stressa ensura na at the bayen. Na baby a wo bia ya officer for my brother to chino. A pino ebe bie at your mouth. Ne mommy mom di ato kwasiansa. Ye popo di no kakra.
Eh, Africa mem. May all do have a child. America mem Maryland. Mayo.
Yeah.
Hello.
Kane Manhyia na fo abato pesu asom ra shebedwani ansa na ye ba bechemu no ono nkwa na ye mra shebedwani ho wa yesoafo abedi akire ane frankatufo abedi akire enei wase aya Akwasidae aha ana mefire me papa etena sei ma me mesre nkwane ahoden na me mema me papa eti nkwa ene moni yo adwumaden ene nkode a woko ede ama asanteman honorable Matthew opoku prempe wode awuhia no a wase napo obeje oso akwachia ne papa obetena sei yehu yenuanom amanonefo bebre enye nnenko ena ya wonom ebe wa yen eni ede ade enti ene ebia sanyaba wonoma wo free Washington America brochimemo ene amai ahodo so wo mo aba be wa yen eye amai ahodo mo na mosifo ebi ewa ha yenyina yewra ye ba ne na se ni abaje ne nsam enhyira de ye afi sha se wo ma ye bi nanso mpaninsi epo ensuo sa togumu de yensan magi bi yemfa mmoso na yenya hoden no ne nhyira ne bebre yemfa nwura afefoforo no adenti ye ma yewra de toche oji yeso se adento yie no na onhyira yen e de ka ho.
The delegations from Washington coordinating the affairs of the Millennium Excellence Award, which will be held in 2026 in the United States of America. The delegation is led by Ambassador Ashimbolton, Nana Ajiman Prempe. And that delegation include Mona Boad, Dr. Ashley Milton, William Salah, Mansa Salah, Maule Jebu, Jane Randolph Osei, Madame Tio Ethiopia, and a huge delegation from Washington.
Odufo Chairman. Se oha yebesre na ode ato otumfo anim se yegina ha na yegina President of the Republic of Ghana, His Excellency
Yafumacho agrobia nyai. Agrobia nko form. Otumfo achiame wadaroma obesere na obamana to otumfo se ewie yegina ha na yegina hama onwane enana onwane ba ne bibia President of the Republic of Ghana, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Say ye starte afefo frono Akwasidae dikai na afi ne yedenasi akunya sofo frokra as President of the Republic of Ghana. Obaye ede ne ho bejae ebesre wo ho inshira afutu ne akwankyere ampa so afimu ni nyina no watae na chi waboa no omananya dimpa ewo manyimu amanyumadi a wode gu na ni so a oye de aboa Ghana ni nyina ko from said ye tie na afi no kwa wie na ne Akwasidae etwato a president se wode waseda edikai na ebro se watae na chi na afimu ni nyina no waboa na ma ne dwumadi a wadi as mampani waboa ma ni nyina atimi akosonti ene ye ba ya oni aban mu mpanifu a wa santimantem ha nyina na mosonti wode ya che no ana wode afem ne se ye moa no na mamu enkoso regional minister menua eye works and housing minister eye honorable interior minister honorable deputy defense minister MMDC is ni mayor eni aban mu mpanifu ahodo nyina enakoye afishia da no ye nyina ya ba ye tie president achi na ye ba ne abema ade tochi enti otumfo achiame yebese na otumfo se ne nananom ye ba ya yekura ensem snap adaka whiskey adaka brandy adaka baako champagne adaka baako wine adaka baako ye ba yesusu a yese kura otumfo boamu ade achiame boamu ade akrachefo boamu ade otumfo abrafo boamu ade ehinkwa boamu ade echem ne ntahara boamu ade otumfo fontom from boamu ade otumfo driverfo boamu ade otumfo mema obo ho bai security omoboamu ade omo eyi mfonyini photographers omoboamu ade otumfo videographers boamu ade stewards boamu ade otumfo kwadwonfo boamu ade ana otumfo chiniyefo boamu ade eni dwampa otuadua otumfo achiame se ohun se ejina president anamu a na ye baasi ye bema otumfo ade tochi
Monsieur, vous savez, le Premier ministre, c'est nous. Aussi, on Ghana mampani, ewa oba, wadi jina. Non, ne se bedo dombaya, ne bonibia. Afi fiti ase, a sebe wadome bru, Akwasidae dikai. Sa mene di nesi Ghana mai ejaso. Was mama beji insurance fees at anyone more. They may be a mentiment. Obama Ushrano, Uchunfo, said the governor, Shannon. Together, said, "Sir, you know, not from the bill, not from your big my piano. Only, fact, when you find your Ghana mine, I will put you on the Duma. Sabi o prepare Dominic Fias at Romoha, some Buano. Now, fitted by Dinasi, and then a day try a few tour was there. My father said, I'm really right. Said the water, but she, but Mammy D. be a from. Now, I said, my self from no bar, and then no. All upon for the bar to foresaw that Sida. Sida can be a day, bro. No one do is Safi Remono. The way you Bruno, obey your trousers, sir. Not gonna mind any prepare fra. Or the no be no good aquamu. I did was as to mind Ghana, my baby so. The no do I said that. No, you stir the rifle from not you dear or the go aquamuno. What's my year? I feel I said, no, do I said that, sad bro. So by ya, who told the same job for a trade year. You know, I don't my brew to for my dear. Or the a snap, pentusia, whiskey, pentusia, brandy, pentusia, champagne, pentusia, wine, pentusia, or the brew my dear, or chammy boy my dear, or catching for my dear, or him crab boy my dear, two for a brown for my dear, a chaminate of her boy my dear, or the brew phantom from boy my dear, or double for boy my dear, or security boy my dear. When I photograph a bomb, my dear, video my bomb, my dear. I don't want to change a bomb, my dear. Quadrum for a bomb, my dear. I don't want brew, no steward bomb, my dear. What can you say? I don't want. You better was saying, no. Why do you say? Said, why man on any so? I don't want brew or nay. No such a mind. When you are come home. Now, because I could never be the ever. Then so I don't want to be deep was one virtually. Now I'm running on faster than in the row. Or this channel or bar, there will be a catcher. Obey na nanti say no. Tu for don't see.
Nana mumi empro man penyin ni apamfu ye. Yempre o me. Yempro man penyin ni apamfu ye.
We just do for don't see. Kono we no see.
His Excellency, the President of the Republic, John Dramani Mahama, here to celebrate the Akwasidae with us, the Alpha and Omega of the Akwasidae 2025. He was here on the 19th of January as we celebrated the first Akwasidae of the year, and today he's here to conclude the year for us. The nation's builder, the Commander-in-Chief of the Ghana Armed Forces, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, the superhighway.
Mr. Sign.
We thank you so much, the Ashanti Regional Minister, Honorable Dr. Frank Amakohene, for your creativity and innovation in your style of governance.
Organizing Committee of what? Public Relations. Millennium Excellence Awards. Oma ewa America memono. Omo na chia otumfoi.
And that delegation is led by Nana Ajiman Prempeh, Ambassador Ashim Moulton. The delegation include Bona Boyd, Dr. Ashley Milton, William Sadler, Mansa Sadler, Mauli Jebu, Jane Rindolph Osei, Madame Tio Ethiopia, and all the delegations from Washington who are coordinating the first of the Millennium Excellence Award to be held in the USA in 2026. I take this opportunity also to welcome Alhaji Yusuf Ibrahim Ishiala. Alhaji, we thank you for your presence, your honor, and your loyalty to the kingdom. This year we have celebrated 9 Akwasidaes in our calendar. The first one was on the 19th of January, which witnessed the presence of the president. The second Akwasidae was on the 2nd of March. The third Akwasidae was on the 13th of April.
Boss, managing director. No.
And today we are here, the 21st of December, celebrating the last Akwasidae of the year. The president and the members of the Ashanti Professional Club, they are also here to pay homage and exchange courtesies with His Majesty. The judiciary is ably represented by His Lordship, Justice Sir Denise Ajay, the Justice of the Supreme Court.
Ashanti professionals. Ashanti professionals. Now, Professor Peter Donko, President and board members of the Ghana Clefts Foundation. Now we are ready.
The Ashanti Professionals Club yesterday organized open soul lectures looking at the impact of local language in the sustainable development goals. We came to a conclusion that indeed we cannot in any way diminish the value of our English language, but we should try as much as possible to elevate our indigenous languages.
Mr. Furama for 249.
Afei ena nana jabehine wadru jum na sane amere eche se ohene transia ohene otwato a obadwam eye jabehine.
Ashanti professionals. Cleft Foundation, Omuna ready. Prof. Brian.
Nana Chame, who the Adorama, Wema Utumfo, at the Ghana Cleft Foundation, or no one our Jesse announced for a live patron. Now, Yena Nkwala Yawo Woman, a pie no, Ye Womo, a Juma, a Momo, a ye. Now, a neighbor, ye Babemano, a Finchapa. Now, a Yamanati say. Ono another man ending a foot 20. Since yet me sit down kakraka e konfonochi. I friend on National Cleft Care Center. Nti de nasie kese pa e breno. Me eyi me call for executive ewa e ba bedo tumfo ase. Na the krakra nse ja ye de yesresre e na sebe ye de ayadwuma. De kakra wan se yekute nsem and Sakakra, and we hamper, and a album beer, album no, your true report kit way be a able to form an effort, any a way in photo, infonia, a chere Juma, ye in Fiena Tremunti, Nana, ye buy an a money teacher, Yadasi.
Professor said, no say Ghana Craig Foundation wa down my brew. Wa said the kola e wo mo bia no mo no se apapa ya na to ko dem no wa do my brew here no mo operation. E ka se no me mu kura no. Fadi na to won so se we to bochi. Ti se be oni teacher ni a o da no kura life petrol. Wa down my brew. O ma yaduma no wa o teacher penti. E mo si daga kaka o konfa no che a se be o mo de yesa aduma no. Ni na ye omua no teacher pa. Na afia so no ma no media de ana wase na de teacher anchewa anya no kwaso no na benefo da no nyina ba se ye ba afi we de that's there bro na so sumo to bochi na ko so to bochi e ma de ma ya koduro no bi etma wie peyo on ba ya ensa hodo aye se no e mu nyina de ma o ade tochi no no e na abon so ko ba ye so ye de a chiro we be ya ni e so we be ya ni aje wonam waje no da bu wase da ma wo mu tun fo de mase o so papa the prof ne bi de che me che yura
something I would do with CCA. I such a no job in it's something. Now, Mamma, you recognize.
Otufo chami ewie uhu mrantie no mabawa otufo niku a otayechi eye Asante Professionals Club na afenu hyase no ebeyi otufo asutre se yedi mfiedu nti nyame pa afi yebekeka ye ho na ni mu bi ni se enura yebeye nhyiamu kese ewo Prep Assembly Hall ede asem kese bi tu dwame ye bobo ho se ye nkrom kasa no Ghana kasa no ye ato atwene na ema ya memre ni ye nkoso no enkoso kese nti ye bebe di ho komo ekowie yie nti ye firi no ho a ye bema aban so aso atibi na ye so ye ho bia ye na fe ye legacy project bi ye AI operated lab bi ye wo kwada so school mo ho ohimase school mo ho na eno so ye de ahye asantewan animonyam na ma ye ba no so ehu AI seminar eba no eso ti ye ba ye so a yekura yensem sinap adaka wine broni wine adaka mienu broni champagne so adaka baako otunfo chia me wo mu ade nananu matram konya de nananum ahinkwa so ede se ye ba na otunfo bronya so a ede ayenia ese de ye that's it.
Adamebu awuku Asante Professional Club for Adamebu kikambo muso munya de baako na mo hwe se bituma bo anchima eba na ona na maka ho bo mu na no be yeso tese mfiedu na wodi no de bebe so no so enura o mesi afa se be Asante kasa no na ma yesi nto wo mu obobo ho se pepe kwan na de ho grata nya ba kire na ifu ha ma se be abai mu so ate se be ya bibi oboye bia no se be ko wie peyo mo ye no ma fufu bi so kwada so a na de ho grata nya ba to onim we hu se be ojita pa man mo na wie peyo na Akwasidae ka tu no mo bi dia de on ba ya slap pentunsia wine adaka ana champagne so adaka nsa hodo so ka ho adaba bo mo de wa chame bo mo de wa cha ko bo mo de na o hin ko bo mo de no mo dia de na ebu tu fo do wase
Manhyia dwabremo say na dwaben da sebre utu sribo to so amiensa Echia Omampeni. And also Mano Adetoche. Asante memory mono Yura Kotokone Etnasia. Sabiamu. Nanabia and Sai Emebiamu. I didn't know Ben and Qua and Sabium Yura Daroma. One man was to Meno. Santa Henetnasia. In Pomponcio, Akwasidae and Prensa. Pomponcio, Aquafrena, Jaban and Prensa. Sabiamu. Uratinase and also Ewian. To me, what they are man because I said, what the Sabi, Nabakumasam, Ekakra, and the actually you are one man is said to me. No, and Nunti in a summary and our baby drew a Duman. Now, Nika and Neo Mampeni, Ghana Mampeni, eating Kutan Kakra, or Sasu Hanamo, and Sana was Sunny Adriura Honamo. In fear, do you know? Do you know? Sia, I could you know some Tama. You will for a benny. Come here, say, baby, or Becobia. Nadia Ben, I come home. Or some Sabia Moyura, some Santa Mine. No Mampany, every my Santino Atene, and then actually baby, Cotocohene, Santene, Etie. Such a Abba my Fedodo, Nedom, Dinachi, not a Tanachi. Ama Jabe my mother, my Fedodo, my idea. Now, Jabe and Quan, I said, you Raman is out to me. No, but now see ye and son and Pumpuncio, Aquafreno, Aquasin Prince, so and Sana. Oh, sorry, not to 29 about Yura. The Santi and a summary. Quebec will be at Nasi Aviano, or not so a tutuna brebre, Tintium crack, about Yura. A man, Nasa Santimemu Jabinqua, Quimian Nebeca say, a Yesabiamo enter, Nabunta. A Santi Jabin. Dasabre, Utrusebo. And I will near so our Jabian men from New Jabin. Navigate. ɔno yɛ daasebere Kwaku Boateng. Enti woka dwaben no amfa Asante ana Koforia ana new no anka ho anhyɛ ne mu ankyerɛ mu a ɛne ɛna gye sɛ waka ma wo mmienu nyinaa. Asante dwaben ne panin ɛna Koforia dwaben ana dwaben amanfuro mu ɔno ne ekuma. Ombe no ya de kro ehia nam ntamo. O munyina ya yoko ananma yokofo ya.
Yeah. Also here with us, Honorable Apia Stadium, Mahama Ba is here to exchange courtesies with the President. Honorable Apia Stadium. Is the last Akwasidae of the year, and this is not just.
Oh no! I tell you, so much you be nyano. O se tu topin so, una chi do azuda do so mu. Abicha ba kesi ma ya fatan. Na so ko tu twere bibi to so. Na bi che to atama so. E do se tu topin so, o ka frafra.
Wala no. Ejanyane. Ejawunti sa anwami lesin. Wasibu we so bofrapa o se tu bedi akuntahra edi twa mantamfia wasimisi sa anwam nation eje utwa suya so otuo mo na so ti dim no ba wono edimbo adambo adankan yabo afero ko benten o se tu yetu ampentu so a wotim okrupaje tu ahima wotima no patutututu
wano no wodi abotre ne ntobo ase ne brebre kumu edi nkra kwadwo ya wada wa wo chia me putu akwa kwadwo brafo enso wukuni ya wada ena edi nkra foforo so afrem so a kire wo ya wada kuro ya no abrafo so ne yesu ya ka hu bi opapa se entu na gyan ada edi nkra so aye no woni na busu ya wante entim jakali sesa ne man ko boni fe yi ase akotoyemu kuda pa ku ya wada akoji ayin san na busu eni akon ato ene betu boni ndi ayin san olo konfo na to we bese aye fre na komen plugu o man fifiri edidi ye gina ye kuda pa ku to so mienu no yi sika mfiri soro no de shebra finyam sem bra finyam twatire konfo na tiri sa ji tire ni si so man ta no so enu ye 19 kwansi ndu mienu was my brave poem ene able pokese waka na sam to wo se santin be di ntu okura wotana maninka atrim manin mfiri wano santin ni pedua wotana maninka afiri manin mfiri wano ana wasem totiri ma na sika dani gina ye na ye no me awo abrabom efiti to oduma nkuma ngba ade nyampanyi ni penso besi ne okoje ani setu edi enti na ni pa ni biri wo abro ni kokko okura ni biri mpempena ne ye sika da kofi adawo manti ene ni pa ni biri wo efiti amane ni sika dwan cheche no untu bi ntwene ana wunye bi so mfirim se be mfre ni maaba so ne santen ni bre ni bafurudua mani ni kanfro ne nyansa powi ye se no be nyansa fo anim sika dwa ho bambo wi ye so ni kontonko ewreni o se tu mi bodina entumpanda aprede na mentiana na we chechirefo no wan ene ko dwoba o kan frafra Obremless, walk on baby and penny, my friend, you're gonna know. Or children, yes, I didn't to and walk and I know, yeah. What's that to walk and know the maiden?
Sabre Nasabiamo or Nayre you Rahoka for Lady Juliet say to Edrihanamo, our no so ever my Yura at their touching.
Hello, hello, hello. Afei na yera ne debreche yere ne yeyere ne yere dofo Lady Julia or say to Her Highness Sabre ye mame asante manyina mame obabe manira ade toche na yada obodi ase e de amani rabi se asante manyina wada no na nanom ene ni ra edini ye ene nti ni panyina twahiem ha ene ne yeraye wase dabi wase mebeka ho na asante manyina hunu se wono mame wono made nyina wo ha ye nyina ye bom ne ma yera ade toche ade e to yie no na wasrensra ne enkohosan e de amaye nyina enti yera yire
I don't know what I'm a brew, Governor project consists of here, or no job in them. So by us, Boma, the lecture on the brew. What's it balance here?
Now, not long ago, the wife of His Majesty, Her Highness Lady Julia, the Queen's Consort, commissioned and handed over the KGL Eve Medical Center to the authorities of the kwakumanu University of Science and Technology. Your Highness Lady Julia, Asanteman is grateful to you. KNUST is grateful to you for the commissioning and the handing over ceremony of the KGL Eve Medical Center. Now to pay homage to His Majesty is the Paramount Chief of Akwasidae traditional area in the Sicily East Upper West region. Koro Balugulubanie Sapara II, Alhaji Akati Salam, the CEO of Akati Farms. He is the Paramount Chief of Akwasidae traditional area in the Upper East region. Alhaji Akati Salam is the CEO and the founder of Akati Farms. Now the Paramount Chief of Akwasidae traditional area and Cicela East.
And check cry your Lady Julia or say to when then penning for any dom ekobie ayasabia yato edin KGL e wokwame nkromasi apono ebom ho ama yadane mo ede amasi apono ya wahase ede eye adwuma dwumadi ahodo pi na yewrayere wodie ede eboa yewra ene asanteman eniema nyina dia danse na dadi se oboa yewra kesa asanteman betumpon na tusha ene ntinya nwanwa se ebra ne ma ne nananom ene ne nuanom ya base e ba be ma yewra de toche no yewra yire osim beta mo achi na ye nyina ya ka ho bi oba fefe so no oba kokodrufo wododo abribie no ono na dom nyina edan no asante mai dan no wadom yewra asomdue na ninti yewra wada so da ye pa no nya asomdue edibu asante mai ene nyina ka ho bi ana yewra obu asante mai mane ya kono mane ye fe efise asomdue ewo fie asomdue wa asante mai mu a na dwuma nyina ekotote na wohwe wo say yewra yire ba no ne ma ne bebre ka no ho ya wonom nyina eba ababema yewra ade toche nti enya ya mama Lady Julia afei na wadru Ghana mampeni enim John Dramani Mahama wanene mpenimfo NDC amanyokuo no wonom dwom tenani wa ha asante mantem musoafo wa ha sanso ena meyo e wa ha wonom nyina aba NDC amanyokuo no dwom tenani wa asante mantem mo wonom nyina aba yewra yire wamba wonom nyina ade toche se womudi odo abebo edomo abetai ni rachi na ye di Akwasidae twato.
So on the 9th of December 2025, Her Highness Lady Julia commissioned and handed over the KGL Eve Medical Center to the Kwakumanu University of Science and Technology. The Queen's Consort, we are highly grateful for your support. All the women in Ghana are so grateful for that wonderful gesture of the KGL Eve Medical Center.
Afei na Ghana mampeni John Dramani Mahama ne mpenimfo wanom eba abachia nananom ehemfo ni ahemano amai henenom ani wonom ahemano woba abachia wo munyina ma wo munyina ade toche yesremo momma ye Ghana mampeni santene no ehon na ho maye said ye be ya ebekọ wano ehon enna ho emaye momma abambofo na enye mo predo
eno adaroma when him kwa abo mo ade said there are 2 farms SN Nebro 2 for dase
me pamochao ka na chanso de AS 266-16 AS 266-16 and AS 9644-11 AS 9644-11 me pamochao mwasi otemuafo bi kwan oba ene yewra ebedi ade ebra so so woko mesre momodaro mebru bomade na ma omuso na one more eboa ya me ahyehye ye cars na wo mo ema ba bi yie na pake wo de no se de be ya ekwan betene ede ama yewra ya woni ye ebedi ade Ghana mampeni John Dramani Mahama ena echia na nanom amahene ene ahimano wo ma wonu nyina ade toche Ghana mampeni yeda sebru yeda senyama yeda se se woni ye hyase e wa fimu na woni ye abewie e wo afi nsumo Ochie nyina woni asante mantem so afo wonmonyamfo Frank Amwakohene wone Kumasi Mayor Yerakin Zuba asante mantem NDC Jomtinani Chairman Akwasi Okwe NDC amanyokwe no Jomtinani omamuyi nyina Yera asiedu enketia Enenti Ghana mampeni so wachia Yera wie nanso Yera one nana no mahemfo ahodo na esuma santeman ehwa santeman so dia machia Yera wie ma benchia na manhene no ene ahema no nyina na mema wono ma ade toche enenti Ghana mampeni woguso echia might be foreigners to us, but somehow they are from Africa and Ghana. Not long ago, we made mention of the committee who is seeking to the organization of the Millennium Excellence Award, all the way from Washington, D.C. They have already paid their homage to His Majesty. Next year, 2026, we are having this award celebration in the Washington, D.C. And we also had some of delegations from other countries who are here as ambassadors. They all came, joined hands with us to celebrate the Akwasidae. It's the last Akwasidae. We are here to seek the blessings from our Lord, the King. Mostly, we call him King Osei, King Solomon. Yes.
Missy Fitino said to us some tomb. All our Marco for those one. One Mafia than Tuata. One year than you could say Jalabamo. Then you could say Bamu say, no, Mlania for the body bomb and it come fra.
Bompata Hene just paid his homage to Otumfuo and is taking his seat. We go by the list as is mentioned. So we plead with you and crave your indulgence to always pave way for us, so that if a name is mentioned, there will be space for them to go and pay their homage to Otumfuo. From my left is Bantu Mahene and his entourage, yet to pay homage to Otumfuo. And we move one after the other to pay our homage to His Majesty. We continue to welcome those who have joined with us to celebrate this last Akwasidae and say we are most grateful for their time and for honoring such a celebration. Sometimes people misconstrue the celebration of Akwasidae to be our festival, and that is not so. Ashantis, we have our festival, that is there. But this is a special day that befalls every 42 days. And when you talk of festival, it comes once a year, or is celebrated once a year. But Akwasidae can be a festival since it's celebrated multiple times, at least 8 times. But the maximum, it should be 9. And the 9th one is the celebration of the Akwasidae or the Akwasidae Kese. This is the 9th time. And from our customs and culture, a day before the Akwasidae, it means the Saturday that precedes the Sunday before the Akwasidae, it is a day that is solemn to the Ashantis. We don't work, we don't go to farm, we rather do our cleaning, our surroundings, to pave way for the celebration of the Akwasidae. In our Akan, we call it Dabone, not necessarily that da enye papa, no, not that. But rather, we cleanse ourselves, prepare ourselves, and get ready for the celebration of the Akwasidae. And in memini da bia dia bechi Akwasidae a eye memini da dapano ya de siesie ye ho e bokwan e de ewura Akwasidae no mo. Ye nananom nyansa ene wonum nimdie mo. Saa na wonum ahyehye no. Enso ya ne ye kan se dabone ene nti krofo dwene se enye dapa dabi. Ye nananom nyansa mo se de ebeya e de hu bi beto so ama wadi saa da no ninti. Ya se eye dabone ya nkwafuo ya nkwa baabia yesiesie ya hemfie siesie ya monten so na ya de atwen ne kwasia da eye Akwasidae no
mura odama mesiwebu wauma Boost Energy odi kan betia wadama wosene Akwasidae twa afito wabetia wa wontimi nkokwa okura ne nsam broni nsam pantunsia wadama obomu ade Adishia Bomadia, Achami Bomadia, without my one him Quabomadia, and our catch for Bomadia, Boss Energy, Bambo for Bomadia, without my son about us and Nibru, or 2 for the Massy, or the Massy Papa.
Me pamocha kana shonso die AS 2245-25. Me pacha baby awusie ni nye AS 2245-25. Me pacha brawo kana homa yensesia edamase. Ye nuanom a wonom aka wo ho abomu. Asantefo emabunu no encheye wonom abechia. And rank as a whole, and did you my dear course what as somebody putting in on the say. As somebody putting on the say, young fat yen cassa, and your ma, and your nananum enter fee. Ya can't obicro mocassa, ya put up, and into which ya quadana, business and what to say was a mehoye. Ya mabuni krade say ya chia se papa ma ho ma chio ma juo wonu munim yo and I say she a wani atonchi ana channel so good evening, good afternoon, good morning, and inti a buobi enim and inti asi bredi die and penense refi na san kofa yenchi and na ayachia na chia emuye e destiny kasabebu nyina yansan ko yenchi Yanchre ye mano me say Yanchre woman yanfa ye kro mukasa no wono monka wo fie wono monti asante kasa mu bewom na so wona nani bi ba ye fie a ye de bebuo ne kasa ko ada na nkwanta enso eya say yan mpo mabunu no ebe no kra ye mu bi ni aka na ko na ya ka kasa to mani mu frenchem ye ntimi nka ya say yan san ko ye chi yan kan ye twi no kron abra ye ne ye ma wo fie wono monti kasa ne yie ama wonom adanso amamre ne amane aye wo kasa wadidie wonta de hye waduane a wodie wasa wodwom ekabom ene me ehunu sa asemasinie obentinie wo firi ha ote ha anenti yansan enko ye chi ne mfa ye kasa ene ye ma entena fie yenim se yebeye ne sa eya Akwasidae twatoɔ ensira ene guso eje ewo yewra ho
wanu no otutu ko bosue o setu otutu le njira kobo wasa wodu fete ni wadan fete ni frete wana beti medina na bro wa beti nopa awko de chentokwa wana beti mejo setu kudu manim akwaje nship ma nopa oje na ba denden na se ko ma ni o setu opanyini opanyini suro o kan frafra wana no Obrajani o setu tu ya pem ya yao wa no asi adu kata wira wodi asampa ne atwi no wo setu tu waton treche no de makwa do ase eti wote eti nyoya na ba se je o jamna kata chi ho na bai o sasu kata chi ho na bai oh na bo dai kokonya kamfrafra
oh anka dujani amofra ni mpanyini ko ase atu nie ene wase atu da se ebufu mpa no otim franfo awurade franfo akiri bi ni akrada kojo wase atu udi afrafa nbo ko man talk na watu afrafa benkata chia me na hwe abrita
said to one something that time and sign here. I want to see us. Let me tell the course. Let the members. Let the Ghanaians. Open up and one to believe my friends. Don't talk about them as I come. Let's see myself when you know.
Fidie, and no fit to Obama. Was it well done? No, so to a few years. This is if it was so to us on YouTube. And I'm not going to for those one. On my fiat and Twitter. I'm the other person to Alabama. And as was the Alabama saying, no, Nanya for the board, Dibam, and come from.
or so to pump up or cut up to Yompa. Yompa was on my monocle. You didn't let us know about that. Or could you do the actual problem of the first kitchen? Or so to do the it's a common. I'm ready to do that. What is the case of Tom? We're talking about it, and now you can voice yourself. Come from.
Kobi Senior High School, Justice and Idioma. Nana Afia Kobi Senior High School.
Monsieur, so the Adama, also, so Adama, I could be surrounded into a soul school. Women fear Dunum, Lomusha Hofa, Utu Bem Palm and Ebetremu, and Monyama Besserumu, about a moment to me for us, and there a day chat to Watinasia, Omaba say, Omoba Dawasi, there was a papa, Padia Mono, Ayo Mofe, and Thompson by our Mukum, Boninsa, outdoor. Doko nsuo wadama na tebo mi ne se wa be sene mo nyama ti se ya dwampa otu adua enso eka ho yemfa medo ase afa obu omo ade enso ka ho wadama wa be wa school se dem panifo eda no o mu se no na eburu board chairperson madam Dapa onso ka ho o mu nyina so mu da wase eburu otumfo odemase papa mpanimfo di animu no nkona otumfo nhyiramo
Tout voit chairman Zongo community au moins sentiment moi. Ça.
Ura chairman obi chairman atumira. Say eye Zongo mpanyimfo. Omsi afi Akwasidae di kan omo ba ni ura eba besoman. Akwasidae twatoi omo ntimi nti omo so abae. No mo ba ya omo ni ura eba bedi ade. Omo kuta omo besen. Omo nsuo adaka no 20. Doko enu so 20. Ojampo otwadua mienu. Yura bu omo ade. Yura chami bu omo ade. Na yura ahinkwa bu omo ade. Bedi ade na.
Nwa misobu odaroma onana no Zongo community awo kromu omo so odaroma ne ade twa fito watrase a omo ntimi ntrase omo be mo ade toche omo ba yam so mu kromu nsam dwampa otuadua mienu odaroma doko adaka aduonu nsuo adaka aduonu odaroma omo besen apakan odaroma obo omo ade wachia me bo omo ade na o hen kwa bo omo ade Zongo community and now the umbaya the only best some in the group. Otu for the mass for papa.
go Viviana. Momuso mo from. I'm money. Huh? Asasa Bobotiaku, Yaju for Finani Wanda, Asasa Bonamaduru Jom, Aquatima Techniphone Massa, Susan Granga, was that to get your visitor out. so, I feel so.
Chairman, the Jaha, also two kind of so for help me and by your so for fire man so for Oba you on chamber now for that so by okuta national pentusia okuta abrochesa red wine adaka mi okuta whiskey pentu ọmọ adìẹ otu fún achá mi kú ọmọ adìẹ ní otu fún ayé bá fún ọmọ adìẹ láti ọsẹ. nígbà mi sùn èso sọdọ wa ọmọ náà àmọ́ àkùtù fún abẹjọ àdáwọn ọsẹ mẹ́ta kẹrin ní họdọ dóòmù ọbẹ srẹ ọkwan sọ ọdọ ọmọ àmà nípa ọbẹ kọ àmà nàní akọkẹ wúsùlù àná ẹdí sẹbẹ nánú wọjà ní sọ nkọmọ yàmi abịa ọba abọkọ ti ihu atọ nọ ọbẹblu náà nne ya kwesịrị etwa to a continent na otisi odi dwuma bi wàmẹta ni wọbi ẹkyẹ wa n'enye ne kọ ẹkọ yẹnẹ wọn n'obi bi adẹ ní wọn bẹ tọ wà sèse nhyia ọdi hyia no yàmi abịa ọsẹ ne wọn atọ kama wàba sẹ de obetumi ti dwuma nyinaa sẹ de fata ọba ayé a ọsẹ ekura ne nsa buroni nsa pẹntu nsia wine adaka champagne na ọda ọma hampa yi nso nsa ọdọ ewo mu ẹka ho ọda ọma ọsẹ ofu ọmọ adìẹ wàkyeame ẹbọ ọmọ adìẹ wàkra akyefo ọbọ ọmọ adìẹ ẹna ọhìn nkwa nso bọ ọmọ adìẹ nana n'ama akutufo ọba ayé abẹbẹ bi ẹdi ọsẹ ẹsẹ mu otumfo ọda asase to asọ paapaa ọmọ asase.
Aso kitikiti pra tane krache ana bazu sa puma se kwenyina ben wada nchamje atram okukuru suno wada mnamu wasa kwesiye wasa jwe wasa bine wasa kuye wasa ye wasa me wasa fie fam tu ba blame yo wasa na de ni yo wasa nye se tu asema ba na anu ne bia ba biem wasa abofra ya abofra pa man suno se tu agure wasa duru ne nsa ana so wade ne nan ana se kan ana ba ana tuo ene bo pasei ene bo nja nyuni papa sei ene su trasi sei su trasi mo moja wu Was said to Yasa Kumuja Trada. Who couldn't know me yet? Was said to Nama Picus in the Pemu, Mimuo. Why don't know? What to do was way? What to do was way? Was said to? What to do in Chirakobo was that? What do Fetten or damn Fetten and Fred and Fred? One of it made an abru abet and upper. I went on to do the wa. I bet my joy said to good man. I went in ship man upper. What you know about it then? Nancy Comoy Indian was said to open news run. One no, I just said an A. One of just said an A. Was said to one of who original. Who could find any patriotia? No one will graduate was here. No one made you see. Nasa Jamayan. Metu was a Maunu. Maunu be, my woman who was to the Ocean Awayo, not the Awayo. If you see a woman, the Bacon consent be away, you got to get as in a commandam. Namus was say to a woman you do may know, was with dear Rebecca, everything I did by was in winning call or come from.
akusa manta no kwaju bomi enu bomi asa kwa kodoma no akwagina matito etwa osi osetu etwa osi ta awo Osetu uko banasa yeso na body se na wi adoko na wi adome we yes abramu manu plan nine o ma ko ko buta ni otebu ani kra odosie osetu o do mani na na head
Niba ọ̀dọ́ ọ̀ma mi so wọn náà nà ẹ̀yẹ̀wò èbi wọn náà yẹn tiẹ̀ fi àbá dáńdán gbẹ̀gbẹ̀ sọ̀ ọ̀sẹ̀ nẹ́ àfi adé ẹ̀dọ́ tó wọ́n ti àṣẹ àwọn tìmí tìmí àbá ọ̀bẹ̀ máa wà ní ẹ̀tọ́ kyẹ́n ọ̀dọ́ ọ̀ma wà bẹ̀ kọ́ mi kyerẹ́ Why can champagne adaka? Ubo mwadie, no achame subo mwadie. So the other way you say o two for that. Mumu
Ose tu do mi akuno. Una abra fo di akuno. Adu bra fi oni na fi sam. Oka fra. O premier se ko ko be. Am mo fro ni bani wa ye dwan wo. O chiri bi ade se tententu. Ah ho afo no ya. O se tu wo fo fa ma di kam fra.
Kenya's number 1 Asinemu.
Employee gray. A walk at him from. Who showed up? I'm not going to show.
Honorable, such a good job as I am. I'm a Sabian Pacotan. As one comment, our Yakoto Kodipa. I know Samantha one was it. Or such to Aquapanda and Maraba. And Maru was your patch. Kaka was your problem. I thought you had done come from.
Bisu machine now. Una actually do us what that does. A picture black Suma Yawan Fatal. So, what to run a baby to us. The picture to a time as in a
of Francis
down for one or Pimpamadi or Pimpamadiani. As a many for Pimpam. Osatu, the body and your book, your mamma, my monocle, or for the upper. Honor, okay, come to Boho, okay, come to Boho. Osatu, when I'm at the come to where John and I will go, the Jafra, can take you to Boho, Kafra.
Pada.
Well, that's a good problem to do our. When I was here, I was to the premier. We are here with me. We will be confronted. I was the Panya Penua. What you have, what if you have permanent. I don't know if you can want me. Something you don't when I won't put it in, we need to pay to our home crown. And then we got the chance and the mind. Was there to when it let me tell you, when I drag on fire, would you mean in 7 days? Was there in Asia? Then granted, then so this time, one would be a penny. I said, wait, it's right what you said. Then say, what you say, about 20 to me. Sebi okuna menya ina ntakazie ne de tuache ana azam no kwade santama ne de mfemfiri sasa bonzam so yente ne bakwa kwade se ne kwade nya ko bo so ba ko sa ne papa ne su papa sebi ori fita azam ye mu ku wona to afra wo be ka de che ma ne ya that is president of the Congo osu suma kwa wona wa ko che ane osetu edia suma osu mutu pa mo woso na ba suma ntiti osu kwa bedra wona tantini dia echi ya wuta santama na kwa so abro fo kuto na twa freda wadi twa freda sika gadi edu mensam ma uza de ya woni etu tuwe bubru utrim baba ko yangu ni ba ana yangu obia jimo ya fanchira de be go do wi se ba e firi so ba ada man san na go ara chira fo eno wa bra o kam
to be an apple of a hero. We are the very good that we are to be a new transit. Now, so we are Babachia, Abafisha, be a Sabu, Sabu Fisher, David, so be piano, a Wadaho. So, transit, you do be no be a official, be a Bachirano, or to be a bar, to Moshan and so. You are there, bay.
On Thursday, His Majesty Otumfuo Osei Tutu II will sit in state to receive your presents and receive your gifts as we come to the end of the year. Any moment from now, His Majesty Otumfuo Osei Tutu II will leave the courtyard and he will sit in state on Thursday to receive you and receive your gifts. It's the last Akwasidae of the year, and today we've had the presence of the President of the Republic, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, the presence of the Supreme Court Justice, His Lordship Sir Dennis Dominica J. Indeed, we have the presence of the National Chairman of the NDC, Chairman Asiedun Ketia, and the Regional Minister, Honorable Dr. Frank Amakohene. Indeed, we have the presence of the Mayor, the Chief Executive Officer of the Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly, Honorable Richard Oforibuadi, the Minister for Works and Housing, Honorable Kenneth Ajay, and the Regional Chairman of the NDC, Nana Kwesi.
Ene Akwasidae ya echatwo yenyina yaba ababebom ababema yura de toche ababesre yura ensam ensra na nyame ya domo ya wada ebei yura etnase eye bronya da ne de toso aduenu enum 25th December 2025 yura betnase na ya sign abane na so ababema no trinkwa biem achede bi wo ho ni nyina ye betimi ediaba nene adeya echatwo afimu no Ghana Mampani John Dramani Mahama Oba NDC amanyokwe no dwamtenani Ora Johnson Asiedun Ketia waka na hone ne bo anan baye obaye na santimanta musuafo wasimepesua so nie enenti woni Kumasi Mayor wonom ekabo mo di animo ekan Ghana Mampani ho ebema yera adetoche enye wono nko na obaye ne mom atitiri ne ntini bi eti se o my Ghana yetemwa akase no akasefo no wonom ewo asemdi bia kase asemdi bia batai potokase mo ye kan Supreme Court no aye Senate Dennis Dominic Owusu ononso ba ha woni ye ebesom ye atitiri ne ntini pi anabosifo ahodo mo frama ahodo so abedwafo wonom ehwe atoto kesemfie pinu ne aduenu nsia Millennium Excellence Awards ebekoso ewo Washington DC omo ebaye ebechia yera afofro pika ho bi ebabe ma yera adetoche omo se wo munimu mpa afofro na eka ho no omo se enimu ayebisa abi e kire yen ehunu se asante ya dai de ye mfani agro eni nti wo munyina beka ye ho bi ya nananom aman henenom ani ahemanom wonom ani wonkonya sofo yenyina santeman yaba besom yera efrafi ahyase ya de odomankoma ne yadi ne yie ɛwɔ mu sɛ baabi wɔ hɔ a birikyie bi bɔ yɛ nanso ne nyinaa ka bom na ɛso firi sɛ ɔdom akoma n'anim ne ɛyɛ ɛna wɔyɛ de ma ne mma na ne nyinaa mu na sɛ afei akɔ awieyɛ a deɛ yɛreka ne sɛ aseda ɛne nti
sɛ mo nananom kaada ɛde ma mo no yɛwura pagya ne mu a yɛwura bɛtena ase wɔ fie na mo nyinaa bɛtena ase na resuo kakra wɔ hɔ no bia de bia keka n'ano yɛwura pagya ne mu yɛwura pagya ne mu
somewhere next year 2026
yɛwura pagya ne mu apagya ne mu yɛwura pagya ne mu.
The Millennium Excellence Award will be held in the United States of America. We would like to thank you for your loyalty. We would like to thank you for your support to Asante Man. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We thank you so much.
ɛyɛ afisia pa ɛne ɛde ɛma abusua ne adɔfoɔ yɛn nyinaa yɛbɛhyia mu bɛdi Akwasidae a yɛhwɛ soɔ. Wote Dr. Kwame Edinkra enka and wote Ajua Aprebi enka. Aya someone ye jinamo. Ye besan ye eshia nyame eya domwa ya wada.
By the other side, by the other side. I saw that phone.